Hi, my name is Chef Romel. This is how our culinary team implement waste management system. The culinary team ensures proper segregation is practiced by monitoring, inspecting prospective areas, and guiding trainees regarding handling and transport of waste.
Here are some of our efforts to properly manage the center's daily waste. First, require employees to book their meals in advance to ensure accurate provisions are ordered, which lessens spoilage of perishable ingredients and provide cost efficiency. Second, the team prepares properly labeled bins in their respective food preparation areas for proper waste segregation. Third, we maximize food by converting them to a new recipe. For example, overripe tomatoes as tomato paste, day-old bread as bread and butter pudding. This is to minimize food waste and promote healthier option in making various dishes. And lastly, after the consumption, culinary training department strictly adheres to the waste disposal protocol.